You are all fine. Today, first I will tell a rhyme and then you have to guess what topic we are going to start today. Okay? Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Can you guess? Yes. Today we are going to learn about our body. So our body have two types of body parts. One is internal body part and one is outside or inside body part. One is external and one is internal. Okay, what is external and what is external and what is internal? I will show you. Suppose you have a pencil box with you. Inside your pencil box, you have kept your pencil, color box, eraser, and whatever things you want to. Okay, and close it up. Now, can you see whatever things I have kept inside? No, na? Okay. So, this is like our body. The things we cannot see, touch or feel from outside, that is inside body part or internal body part. The things what we can see and what we can feel, and that body parts are outside body part or external body parts. Okay. Now I have drawn a small picture. I know I am very lacking behind in drawing, but still I have tried. Suppose there's a human figure. Okay, so this is our body. So I have kept two sides. There's an internal and external body part. One is inside body part and outside body part. Outside body part, we are generally very much well aware of about the body parts like ear, eye, hand, hair, leg, and there are so many. I have just kept simple examples to make you understand. And these are some inside body parts: bones, muscles, brain, lungs, stomach, liver, kidney. There are so many. There are so many. So the thing is, we have two types of body parts. Okay, and these types of body parts, both parts are very helpful. Extremely helpful for our body. As usual, they are the parts of the body and they make a proper body. Okay. But today we will learn about, later on we will come to this point, but today we will learn about our face. So this is our face. Okay, and I have pointed some of the things here. Okay, so let us discuss about these points. Okay, so here you go. So level our face. There are so many things I have put here. Okay, so we will learn it very clearly and thoroughly also. So this is our head, or this one is our face. We can see from outside. So it is a example of outside body part or external body part. So here is our head. Okay, this is our forehead. Forehead, and this side, beside the forehead, it is temple. That is ear, eyelash, and this is eyebrows, and this is inside the eye, that is eyeball, or someone tells us iris also. Okay, now there is jaw, under the eye, jawline, we tell generally jawline. This is cheek, chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes. So now this is here where you make pointers. Boys can do, na? Whatever. Now this is lip, rosy lips. Everybody has that rosy lips. And teeth inside. Okay, this is mouth, this is chin, this is nose, and this is from where we are just taking the breath. Okay, inhale and exhale, that is called our nostrils. And this is neck. Okay, so these are the very simpler things what we are able to know from this picture. Okay, these are the outside body part of our face. Now come for our hand. So I have drawn one hand here, and this portion to this portion is generally called as arm. And this is our wristwatch, where we wear the wristwatch, that is wrist. Okay, and this is some fingers I have drawn later, so I will discuss it later. But here is arm, this portion arm. This is nails, palm. Okay, these are the palm, like this one. I have a palm. like this portion is called palm. Okay. Elbow, this is elbow. Now the fingers are here. These are palm and fingers. Now this is thumb, this is index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Okay, like this. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. These are the fingers. Okay, these are the parts of a hand. Now as you can see, this is our leg. Okay, so this is a thigh, knee, this is cuff, and this is seam. Whoever loves cricket, the cricketer is using seam pad. Okay, this one is seam. This is ankle length dress. Okay, so ankle, this is ankle, heel, and this is this part. This is the heel. Okay, and there is the arch in our leg and arch in our foot. Actually, this whole thing from here to here, this whole thing is called as foot. Okay, inside the foot there are two parts. One is ball of the foot, heel, ball of the foot or heel, and arch of the foot. There is a curved line. Okay, and these are the fingers. Actually, they are called as toe. Okay, these are there are 2 or 3 parts more, but this is okay for you. For now, for this timing, you can learn this one. This is okay. Arch and ball, I just told you to remember. Okay, these things are, you can remember, like thigh, knee, seam, ankle, heel, cuff, foot, toe. These are very important. This ball of the foot and arch of the foot is okay. It's just for information. Okay,